Many patients come to my office before a party and said, Dr. Hoogstra, I need to look and feel better. I have in 10 days, in 15 days a party. What can you do for me? And then we are going to analyze deep sulcus, depressions, and here the same. The idea is a quickly improvement of this area with hyaluronic acid fillers, and then you can see immediately the result after just only 2 syringes of hyaluronic acid. I prefer to use slowly. Maybe this patient needs 2 more in order to improve more the jawline, the chin. Here I have an asymmetry of the chin. 1 syringe here will be much better. You can see this. You can improve this with, but this patient is very happy. She went to the party 10 days after the procedure and she looked great. Just the hyaluronic acid fillers improve the face, the aesthetic. It's very fast, it's very effective, no downtime. Sometimes a little bruise can be produced.